How to set who can see my WhatsApp about? First, open the WhatsApp app. At the top right corner, tap on three dots. Now tap on settings. You can see privacy option here. Tap on it. Then tap on about. To available your about for everyone, select everyone. To make it visible only for your contacts, select my contacts. If you want to hide from a specific person, select my contacts except, then select the contact and tap on tick mark. But if you want to hide your about for everyone, then select nobody. And that's it. This is how you can set who can see your WhatsApp about.